get welcome for any event involving the mechanical world. कुछ करो या ना करो, आवाज तो मांगता है. So now that we all have completed our 4 years of engineering, there's only a 0.017% chance that any of you present here will be the next Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg or Steve Jobs. And trust me guys, I've done the maths, and for those who don't believe me, we can have a week-long maths debate, or you can enjoy a good trip with your friends. Hashtag after party. So good afternoon, all the respected dignitaries, professors, non-teaching staff, and the batch of 2022. I, Saurabh Yadav, on behalf of the mechanical branch, would like to tell my roller coaster journey in DBIT in a nutshell. Also, a special good afternoon to the students who are attending this today's farewell just to take aesthetic pics and for the snacks. Now, statistics have shown that public speaking is the #1 fear of people, closely followed by death. So, after I conclude my speech, either I'll go back on my 2 legs or I'll defy gravity and float through Fool's Photos. Hashtag Big Brain. Now, I want to give a big congratulations to everyone, including myself, for being here today. The world we live in is plagued with dangers such as Corona, Taliban, Elon Musk, facial acne, and my dog step on the BD. So despite all these odds, we managed to graduate. So we do deserve a big round of applause. So now that I have your undivided attention, I have decided not to try too hard to impress you with blah stories of how awesome my engineering was. Open bracket 2 years online engineering. So instead, I would like to be honest and realistic in my opinions and experience at DBI. So looking back at the first years, it feels like it just happened yesterday. These were the days when I sat on the first bench of the second row, right in front of the teacher's desk, for an entire year. All I did was catch the 8:14 train starting from Thane, reach to DBIT by 8:50, and scroll through Instagram to avoid nervous conversations. Copy assignments on my own, and PS, I mentioned copy assignments on my own and not write. इतना भी बोला नहीं बनता है starting. Also, I had attendance of more than 90%. Not even close to my total percentage scored in both 10th and 12th standard. I scored CET 140. So, and I guess this was the same case with every one of you present. The same cycle for one whole year. The only good thing about the first year was the ground floor classes. The greenery through the window was absolutely stunning. The second and third year, which was supposed to be a career deciding phase, went into vain because a person ate back. So either he was a mechanical engineer who couldn't afford a good meal because he had a low-paid job, or he was a man on mission sent by Thanos. Hashtag Avengers reference. The only memories I could use of these 2 years is Dalgona coffee, online lectures, binge watching series, and the infamous कोरोना वायरस या कोविड-19 से आज पूरा देश लड़ रहा है, पर याद रहे बीमारी से लड़ रहा है. So after a point, I got really irritated by this caller tune that I stopped calling my girlfriend, and we had to break up. It's just a copy-paste joke from internet. And then it was the time for the last chapter of engineering at DBIT, the final year, where our jeans and chinos transform into formals. So this is the phase during which our world will turn upside down, and we'll long to wish we had Levin as our friend. Hashtag Stranger Things reference. Personally for me, it was like an all-round development change. So the other day, I was asking my friends about what was the happiest moment in for them in these 4 years. And someone replied it was the best moment when he saw her. A stunningly beautiful girl with silky long hairs walking across the corridor in front of her class. Mechanical guys can relate completely. So for some of you, getting a 9 pointer or getting placed in a reputed company may be the happiest moment. But if you ask me, my happiest moments are the compilation of all these beautiful years. One typical moment which I would cherish forever and consider as an achievement of myself was Vortex 2020. So it all started with a bet during Hysteria with our Kabaddi captain Piyush Reddy. So I said to him, जर तू मेकॅनिकल साठी कबड्डी ट्रॉफी जिंकलास तर मी स्वतः तुला सर्वात बेस्ट व्होर्टेक्स and for the non-Maharashtrians who don't understand, look at left, look at your right and download Learn Marathi in 30 days. And guess what guys? The Kabaddi mechanical department won the trophy and this is the history. Now all this was possible because of the constant support of our torch bearers or our guardian angels, our professors. They are the one reason, they are the prime reason for shaping our destiny ahead. Thus, I would like to thank each and every faculty present out there who helped all of us in some or the other. And lastly, you guys, my dearest friends of mechanical, with whom I have been enjoying #OneLastMoments since the last couple of months. My friends from AHTC, #Chaman Group, and my friends from ITC. So the boys who are shining in blazers and the girls who are looking gorgeous and beautiful in one pieces and gowns. So without you, these 4 years could have been a compilation of mundane, boring classes. I'm really fortunate to have you as your friend. A special mention to our canteen food before lockdown, which I guess all of us can relate because it was good before lockdown. And thanks to Wikipedia, Dora, Google, my homies since lockdown, #BigBrains2, which helped me to prepare myself. And lastly, ending with the customary words of wisdom. The road ahead is hard for everyone. It's like that video game in which every time you finish a level, the next level turns out to be hard. I hope you make the best out of it. I hope you feel things you have never felt before. I hope you meet new people with a different point of view. And I hope you live a life you're proud of. Here's to the past because here's to the future because I'm done with the past. Thank you.